Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ Ortega and you're watching The Diary of a Social Climber. How's everyone doing? Thank you again for watching. For those who are new to this channel, thank you for watching. And for those who have seen me before and have seen some of my videos before, welcome back. I'm so excited for this another video. But before we go through that, hihingi lang ako ng konting favor sa inyo guys. Again, if you like this video and the other videos that I have in my channel, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And also share it to your friends. Ask your friends to subscribe as well. Please share it. Sige na, please. Nagmakaawa. And of course, if you want to talk, if you want to comment, if you want to suggest anything, please don't hesitate to comment down below. I will read it and 100% I reply to everything. All right? Appreciate that. All right. Alright, so enough of that. I'm glad that I got that out of the way. But in today's video, I would be sharing another merchandise or products that I bought from the mall. Last Sunday, actually, I went to Alabang Town Center and I came across this store that sells yung mga health and beauty products, yung mga nature and parang ano siya how do you call this? Yung mga organic na shampoo, mga air freshener, organic soap, organic lotions, insect repellent. So ayun. The name of the store is Sesou. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right. Binubutcher ko yung mga pangalan. I'm sorry. Sesou or Sesou. It's S-E-S-O-U. Nature Source. It's at Alabang Town Center. So I went there. I browsed through their different products. And I came across 3 things that I really like. And actually 1 that I really love, and then 2 that I am in dire need of. All right, so without further ado, let's go through these items. So the first one is, charan, it's a Sesou Gugu shampoo. It says here that the gugu bark is traditionally used to help hair and scalp related problems such as dandruff and hair loss. And that's one of the problems that I made mention to a lot of my friends. Lately, in the past few months, I've been experiencing a lot of hair fall, more than the usual. Because I often experience a lot of hair fall because I have very long hair, right? But in the last few months, I've noticed that mas marami siyang nalalagas na buhok at naluloka na ako, diba? So one friend recommended that I try to look for a gugu shampoo. My mom said aloe vera, of course the usual vitamin E and all that. So when I came across the Nature Source store in Alabang Town Center, I saw that they have a very big tarpaulin of this gugu shampoo. So I got attracted, and that's the main reason why I entered their shop. So I will try this. If you can see here, oh, may bark pa talaga siya sa loob ng bottle. So this is 295 pesos for a 260 ml gugu shampoo. Diba? So exciting. I will try that. I'm excited to try that. And then the next one, yung sabi ko nga, something that I really love. This is the, ayan, all natural, all vegan, sleep tight aromatherapy spray. It says here, at the closing of each stressful day, let the aroma ease your relentlessness away. I'm sorry, restlessness, relentlessness. Sleep deeply throughout the night, dream beautiful dreams, and sleep tight. This is something that I really love. I have one similar to this, different brand, pero I spray this sa curtains, I spray this sa kubrikama, I spray this sa pillow and sa blanket ko before I go to sleep in order for me to have a very good sleep. So this one is 500 ml. It's 499 pesos for this one. It's very big. There's a lot. 500 ml, and this smells really, really good. I'm so excited to use this as soon as I'm done with the last or with the other bottle that I have. And the last one is this one. It's a Theodore Home Care rodent deterrent. It's vegan and chemical free, antibacterial and biodegradable. It says here that those tiny ferret creatures often enter our homes uninvited. This annoyance, discomfort, and infectious disease they carry can be downright maddening. This potent formulation contains strong aromatic herbs that is historically proven to naturally ward off mice while remaining kind to other animals in our environment. So this is something that I'm excited to use, not because that we have lots of mice and rats inside the house, but in our dirty kitchen outside, because it's open, you cannot really prevent little, mababait to go there. That's the reason why I'm very scared to go out there. And I don't use the dirty kitchen anymore because I'm afraid that there might be some of them there living, thriving. So I'm scared. So I think I would use this, and let's see if this is effective. This is 500 ml as well. And this is 499 pesos as well. So those are the three things that I got from Sesou Nature source at the Alabang Town Center. I'm so excited to try all of those, especially the Goo shampoo for my hair and the aromatherapy thingy for a good night's sleep. So there you go. If you like this video, oh, by the way, I would put the name of the store and the location on the link down below so that you will get to see it. And if you want to look at their products, you can do so. And again, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Diary of a Social Climber. And of course, share it to your friends. Happy social climbing, everyone. Love, love, love. Bye. Sleep Tight aromatherapy spray, linen mist, get well soon. Room spa elixir, cardio device. Oh, that's so nice. Where's the Google? That's nice. Rodent pressure. This is a rodent deterrent. Insect room spray, bug repellent, aloe vera. This is the Goo shampoo. I'll buy this one. This is $2.95. This is nice. Goo shampoo. This is Goo conditioner. I'll buy this one. Sanitary spray. Nice powder face mask. $75, $25, $75. Lavender chamomile massage oil. What's this? Leave on regrowth. Hair growth. Organic hair cleansing. Scalp care. Sesou Nature. Smoothing serum. Smoothing serum. Hair tonics. For all hair types. Shea butter. Hi. This one is for
Hair growth.
tsaka falling hair. Okay. Gusto ko to. Kasi numinipis yung buhok. Tapos, ito, pwede siya kahit sa mga malalaki. Hindi, pang maliliit lang.
Pang malalaki talaga ito. Pero yung mamamatay, hindi po. Pang repel.
Pag ayaw lang, para hindi lang sila pumasok.
Ayaw po nila yung scent niya.
Talaga. Nagka-card ka? Sige. This one. Anong maganda sa kwarto? Yung pamparelax. This one?
Opo. Relaxing siya, tsaka...
$350. $500. Sige. That one. Ano pa? Ano pa?
Massage oil.
Ang problema ko kasi yung buhok ko, laging naglalagas. Maganda yung gugu na yan. Teething. Essential oils. Okay. Sige, yan na lang muna.